Legos?
Yeah.
Here, take it out, take it out.
Let's see if it's a hard one. It's the one that's easy.
Oh, perfect. Oh, Cameron, that was nice. Do you know there's even more stuff in here?
Yeah.
Wow, but that's so cool because you can do that yourself. Wow.
Look what it is.
Wow.
It's an instruction, not hard Legos.
Cameron, can you look at me and say thank you for my present?
Boy, thank you for my presents.
Yay.
But there's another one inside.
Whoa, you lucky duck you. Open that one.
It's a Spider-Man one. It's one for the superhero.
Ooh, open it, open it.
It's a superhero book.
It's a book and look at the little dudes.
I want to pick one of these guys.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you one more time?
Thank you for the present.
Thanks, you guys.